In Convertri, you can use the reordering tools to set the position of your elements on the page. Let's take this panel as an example. Currently, the panel is behind all of these elements, which means it is containing them. So when I move it around, the elements within the panel move with it. If I want to bring this panel to the front, so that it is at the very forefront of my page, I can use the bring forward or the bring to front tools. Bringing it to the front will move it to the front of every other element on the page, like so. Now the elements are behind it and they are no longer contained. If I want to send it backwards, I can either use send to back. However, if I do this, it will send it behind the image here as well. So I can use the send backwards tool. Doing this will send it backwards one by one. The same can be applied to the bring forward or the bring to front tool. Let's say I want to bring this image forward. I can use the bring forward tool, and it will one by one move in front of each element on the page. If I want to send it all the way back, just like we used the bring to front, we can use the send to back tool.